Did you go anymore?
No.
No.
You can fit through there.
Ow, ow,
Drive!
Oh my God.
Drive!
That's illegal, isn't it? Get in the car! Idiot! Get in the car!
Was it exciting?
It would have been more exciting if you would drive. Wow.
Yeah, seriously, why would you
I
go?
got getting pulled over.
Like going down the highway.
Yes! Should have done it!
No.
Oh well.
I'm a party pooper.
You are. I'm still videoing.
Are you?
Yeah.
Do you get sound?
Yeah, I do get sound.
You do.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Yeah, isn't
Do it again!
Here you go, you can videotape yourself. There you go.
YouTube.
Doing what?
Be on YouTube. So I'm gonna put it up when I get home.
Are you really?
I am. I have nothing better to do because I have no life.
How do I turn it off?
Press the button on the top. Nope, the other button.